Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, one of Timer Digest's top ranked stock market timers. And while I have been trading, and the Woodson Wave Report has been around now for, since 1997, and trading, we've established our short-term report. You can see our day trading record there over the past 3 years. You do see I average over 700 trades a year. So if you don't feel like sitting around in front of your computer all day and trading like I do, you can contact Striker Securities. They auto-trade Woodson Wave Report signals. While I have been around for 30 years or so, I am relatively new to YouTube, so I appreciate if you guys can hit that subscribe button, the reminder bell, and the like button. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Today is December 21, 2020, and we had a make or break hit, and the futures hit our make and break. So pre-market, we alerted our subscribers about that and went to a short position, and we'll explain that here as we look at the S&P daily chart. As you can see, we have looking for a five-wave pattern up from the March lows. We had a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up, a 4 down, and we're looking at 5 in here. Okay, so from our October 30th low, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see our target again, as usual, is 39.96. But what happened here is real curious because we had a make or break. I want to get down into this a little bit more for you guys. You might be able to see here that our 36.46 was broken. Okay, that was our make or break. Any move below there would move us to a short position, and it did. And I also want to look at this wave count here because you can see here that we have a 3 and a flat 4. Then we have a 1, a 2, and you can see the speed of this move of 1 near vertical, and then 3, which should be a more powerful wave, is basically waning and running out of steam, if you will. It just doesn't look good. It doesn't look right. Okay, so once we hit that make or break, it's like this count is wrong. This is not going to be a 3 of 3. It doesn't look like a 3 of 3, especially compared to this one. Well, if we look back at our flat wave 4 correction, you can see the bottom here on September 24th, one of our turn dates, has a low of 32.09, and this low here is 32.33. So what is more likely is wave 4 is actually over here. Whoops, we missed that. Wave 4 is actually over here. Okay, so this then is actually wave 1, and this here is wave 2. And then you can see this becomes 3. Let's put it over there. Okay, and then we get a wave. I don't know where I put the 4 and the 5. I can do that again. Let me do that again. Let's get rid of this. We'll do this for you guys. We'll remove that and get a minor degree 5-wave pattern going here. We've got a 1. We'll change that, a 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Let me change that to degree. Let's make it minor. And let's make it black. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, this isn't exactly where I want it, but you guys get the picture here. Let me see if I can move 2 a little bit better down there. There we go. Okay, so this looks more like a 3. See that near vertical? And this is an ending diagonal triangle. You can see the wave 4 low overlaps the wave 1 high, okay? And then we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And within these patterns, you can see that the 5th wave is barely higher than the 3rd wave. I can break that down even a little bit better for you guys if you want to see how this works out. Let's get into an hourly chart and look at that from that 4th wave low. And you can see how these 5th waves are just horrible as far as they go. Okay, so you can see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. There's the top of 3. There's the top of 5. Again, we look over here, top of 3, top of 5, and these numbers aren't lined up exactly where they should be, but You get the picture here again. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is barely higher than 3. 5 is barely higher. I think this is the 3 here. 5 is barely higher than this 3 here. So you can see that that pattern is just, it's weak. Okay, so the 3 was back in here at the November 9th high. 4 came down here, and then we've had our ending 5 wave ending diagonal triangle with 4 overlapping 1. Okay, our make or break was a 36, I believe it was 36.46, and we broke through that here. We had a low of 36. So it did break. I can show you guys this a little better on our charts here. You can see here is where the count was. We had the 4 down at the 1030 low, and there's that wave 1, and it's near vertical. You can see the subdivisions. We've gone over that in the videos past, and in wave 2. And look at this third wave. It goes this way. That would be the speed and the trajectory of the first wave. However, and this is the first wave here, so you can see that's wrong. We had our make or break of 36.46. You can see it was broken there. Okay, so we can count this as 5 waves up, the ending diagonal triangle, and that wave count was negated. That is not a third wave. It looks more like an ending 5th. This is not a first wave. It looks more like a 3. So we can find the correct count here that I have for you guys. And here we go. We got the September 2nd high for 3. That is not a flat. There is 4. That is wave 1 up, wave 2 down. You can see wave 3 here with the subdivisions on it. All right, 4 overlaps. The low of 4 is lower than the high of 1. Okay, that makes that an ending diagonal triangle. You can see how we go up here into a wedge pattern. So we expect that all-time high from the 8th, or I'm sorry, from the 18th should hold, which I believe it was 37.26. Okay, so we have moved to a short position against that high. Any move above that high moves us back to a long position. So I just want to give you guys a quick update as we had a make or break target was achieved, and we are now looking to be short against the 37.26 high on Friday, December 18th. Thanks again, and until next time, take care, everyone.